Hi friends, today I'm going to show you the recipe of chicken tikka masala step by step. I have taken 1 kg of chicken cut into medium pieces. Here I have some curd. To it I'm going to add some coriander powder, pepper powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, salt and some kashmiri chili powder. I have also added garam masala. And the juice of 2 lemons. Now I will mix this well and apply it to the chicken. Now to this I am going to add some oil and ginger garlic paste and mix well and keep it aside for around 1 hour or overnight will be better. It's been 1 hour now and I'm going to grill my chicken. So I'm going to first brush the tray with some oil. Brush the skewers also and put the chicken for the skewers. See, now all my chicken is ready to be baked and now I'm going to brush it with some melted butter. Butter gives it a better taste. I've kept the marinade at the side. I will apply it once it is half cooked. To make the tikka gravy, I need some tomatoes which I'm going to boil to make some puree. See, my chicken has been baked halfway and now I am brushing it with the remaining masala and I will grill it again till it is ready to be cooked. My tomatoes has been boiled and I am going to puree them. In a big pan I am going to add some oil, some ghee, but even you can even add butter to it. Now to this I am going to add my dry masalas. And roast it nicely till all the flavors comes to the oil. I will add 2 onions. Actually you need to chop them fine, but I did not chop them very fine. I am adding some ginger garlic paste. My onion has become nice and brown, and now to this I will add the puree of tomatoes which I had made from the boiled tomatoes. Let it cook on a slow flame for around 2 to 3 minutes, and now comes my secret ingredient. The secret ingredient is cashew nuts. I'm going to make a paste of them and add it to my masala and nicely mix it well. This gives a very nice and authentic taste to the chicken tikka masala. It's been cooking for now 3 minutes. I'm going to add some salt, garam masala, mix it well. Let it cook for around 2 minutes now, and now to this I'm adding the milk cream. This is one of the main ingredients of chicken tikka masala. This makes it more creamy and it gives a very good taste of cream to the masala. The color will change as it cooks. It's been cooking now for around 6 minutes, and I'm adding some tomato ketchup. All the quantity of ingredients is given in the description box below. I'm adding again some chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder, please note. And now it is time to add my grilled chicken to this. Please add all the gravy or the juices which have come in the pan while grilling the chicken. Now my chicken tikka masala is almost ready. I have added some kasturi methi and coriander and mint leaves. Now to get that authentic taste, I have made the one piece of coal hot, and I will add some ghee to it and put it in my chicken masala and cover it with the lid for around 5 to 6 minutes. It's been 5 to 6 minutes, and see, my chicken has been nicely smoked and my chicken tikka masala is ready to serve. Please do try this recipe and comment in the comment box. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you.